If you are watching this video right now, it means you are choosing. You are choosing. A lot of people are actually watching other videos right now, but here you are watching a video that will change your life. The video that will make you understand Arabic language. The video that will make you understand the Quran whenever you are reading it, just because you want to get closer to Allah. It is only when you can feel the Quran, you can understand its meaning directly, that is when your taqwa will increase. When you read the Quran, your God fearing will increase. So if you have been following us, we are learning 100 Arabic verbs, and today we are currently in the third verb. That means we have taken the first verb, the second verb, and the third one now we want to take. So if you haven't watched the video of the first verb and the second verb, you should go back and search for the video and watch it. Okay? So without wasting much time, we are going to start. You see the word sami'a is the verb of today. Sami'a. What is the meaning of sami'a? Say it after me. Sami'a. Okay, that's fine. Sami'a means he heard. Is to hear something, right? He heard. Past tense. He heard. Sami'a. So in sentence you can say Sami'a Zaydun al-khabar. Sami'a Zaydun al-khabar. This means Zayd, it's someone's name. Zayd heard al-khabar, the news. Zayd heard the news. Al-khabar is news. That is the past tense. The present tense, yasma'u. 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 So you say yasma'u means he is hearing. Hearing. Yasma'u means hearing. It's a present tense. So yasma'u Zaydun al-khabar. Zayd, someone's name, is hearing the news. Al-khabar means the news. Zayd is hearing the news. The last one we have the command word. This one is used to command someone. Isma'. Isma'. Hear. Okay, like listen or hear. Hear isma'. So before we continue, please ensure to like this video so it can get to more people and they can also benefit from the class. Ensure to like the video and then share the video so I can get to more people. Barakallah fiqh. Isma, here, it's a command. Al-khabara ya Zayd. You want to command Zayd to hear or listen to the news. Isma, hear, okay, or listen. Al-khabara, okay. Isma al-khabar. Hear the news. Al-khabar means the news. Ya here means oh. Zayd, someone's name, right? Zayd. So hear the news, O Zayd. Listen to the news, O Zayd. Okay. So this is just one word which means to hear. Sami'a yasma'u isma'. Sami'a yasma'u isma'. Sami'a yasma'u isma'. Past tense, present tense, and command tense. So if you learned something from this video, I want you to make sentence using Sami'a. You can tell me Sami'a, you change the name here. You can put Muhammad. Sami'a, Muhammad. You can change this also, Al-Khabar. Just make sentence using Sami'a to see if you really understood the lesson. I will see you in the next class, which we are going to be taking the fourth verb. Okay, this is the third verb we have taken. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So if you want to get the full video and want to enjoy the lessons one after the other, step by step, you need to visit my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to write the name somewhere in this video. Learn Arabic and English with Al Bayan. Just search it on YouTube. You are going to see it there. Learn Arabic and English with Al Bayan, then follow it. You see all my videos there. Okay, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you in the next video.